AC Guy 1948 here. Thought I'd do a quick unboxing of this Pioneer radio. I don't know the exact model number on it. I don't see it right off. But this was on sale at Walmart for $40 and what was normally like $70. So I've decided, I know my 96 Ram, the speakers are starting to go bad in it, so I'm thinking this here I at least have $40, you know, 10 bucks a speaker, and then I get a radio with it. But the speakers in it are starting to get a little, they're starting to go out. So go ahead and do a quick unboxing. This won't be a test or anything. I'm just going to show you what all this comes with. Here's speaker number one, it looks like. And this is probably the radio itself. Probably going to regret opening this. Speaker number 2, 3, and 4. And then I'm going to guess this is the radio. Got some mounting screws. Yeah, this would be the radio part. Thing for Pandora. Yep, here's the radio. More cables for it for the antenna. Instructions. Here's the head unit. I like this, pretty small. You could fit that into a lot of different vehicles. That's what it looks like. Got one volume knob on it, looks like. USB over here. Yep. USB auxiliary. It's got where you can link it to your Bluetooth. Just a pretty basic aftermarket radio. There's your back. So yeah, pretty nice. Came with the flyer and everything. Speakers were what I was really after. And they look okay. Probably better than what's in that truck right now. Yeah, I don't really want to go cutting these open. But yeah, that's pretty much what it comes with. You got 4 speakers and here's what the speakers look like on the back. Okay, 2 tabs. 200 watt max, 4 ohms impedance. Oh, it's messing with the camera because of the magnet. You got your wires down in there for hooking up to the speakers. But alright. But yeah. It's got to be better than what's in there now. But alright. Guess that'll do it for this video on this Pioneer. I still don't know the exact model number. You and a friend enjoy 3 months of Pandora. I may look into that. I do use Pandora a lot. But I still don't see an exact model, but that's probably going to do it for this video. I'm about out of time on my thing. See you next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.